Hey guys, Rafi Konsker here, Preferred Plumbing Solutions. What's going on, people? So, I'm just setting up an espresso here. All right. Question for everybody. Question for you people. Comment. I want you to actually comment and let me know. Comment on YouTube and let me know. Or on social media, whatever it is, let me know. Answer this question. How many times have you fixed the same thing in your home? How many times? Whether it was a broken faucet, a running toilet, an outside tap, a clogged drain, a clogged sink. How many times? You know, obviously if you lived in a place the first time living there for a year, it's one thing. But if you lived in a place for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, how many times have you repaired the same thing? You got to ask yourself that. I want to know that answer. It's important for me because what it comes down to is, why are you having to repair the same thing again? Maybe that item or that fixture or that piece of equipment should have been replaced. Maybe you haven't dealt with the reason and the cause for the problem. Okay, there's two main causes. There's two main reasons why anything in a water supply system, which, not to get too technical, all that means is faucets, toilets, washing machines, dishwashers, anything attached, shower systems, water heater, humidifier, shut-off valves, outside taps, all of that. There's only two reasons why things wear out in a home. One, volume of use, which is the fancy way of saying how much wear and tear is it getting? How often is it being used? How many times a day? How many people living in the home? And the other one is quality of water. So theoretically, if your home is not being abused, if there's the right amount of space in that home, it's not overlived in, or for lack of better words, or just too many people living in that house, and you have soft water, you don't have mineral-filled water, your fixtures and your products should last for almost ever. So those are the two reasons. So if you're fixing a toilet that's running, and then you got to fix it again a year or two later, then it's very simple. It's because you're not actually dealing with the problem. Meaning, if components or parts are wearing out, if things are wearing out, then that means that there's minerals in your water. That means you have hard water. And it's okay. It's actually healthy for you. Calcium and iron are great for you. But you're not being educated. Your home service technician or whoever's there is not talking to you about the problem. Hello, Mr. or Mrs. So-and-so. This is why this is failing. Do you notice all the scale over here? You need a water softener or our revolutionary Flowtech anti-scale system. And then you won't have to repair these things over and over and over again. So it's important to understand that, to realize that. No, it's not okay to repair the same thing over and over and over again. Unless it's being abused, or unless you're not dealing with the actual problem or just the symptoms. So I want you to comment below. Let me know. I want to know what you think, and I want you to know how you feel about that. Share with me what's going on. I want to hear what you got to say. All right? Remember, we are the leaders in this space. We understand thoroughly what technical plumbing knowledge is needed to provide an absolute high level of customer service. We understand our customers' needs, and we value every part of your home. Preferred Plumbing, baby. We got you.